If you are a morning bird and not a night owl, then perhaps you must have noticed that the sunrise is less colorful than sunset. Have you ever wondered why this happens? Earth's atmosphere is full of particles, small enough that you can't see them. When the sun rays enter the atmosphere, they encounter these particles and molecules. This encounter leads to change in the direction of rays known as scattering. The light is made up of different wavelengths, each wavelength corresponding to a particular color. The scattering of a particular color wavelength depends on the size of molecule that it encounters. This process of selective scattering is known as Rayleigh scattering. The air is a perfect scatter agent for blue and violet color. That is the reason why we see sky blue. At the time of sunrise or sunset, the light has to cross more thick atmosphere. As a result, nearly infinite number of scattering events occur for blue and violet light. So they scatter out and only low wavelength light reaches us. That's why we see sky as orange and red and yellow. In the evening, there are large amount of particles compared to dawn. This is due to some anthropological factors like pollution and dust and some natural causes like water evaporation by high temperature. These particles settle down at the time of sunrise due to less human activities and cooling down of Earth. More particles lead to more scattering and more colorful light. There is one more phenomena involved known as Doppler effect. According to this phenomena, at the sunrise, we relatively move towards the sun, so the light gets shifted towards the longer wavelength of blue. And at the evening, we are going away from sun, so light shifts towards red. That is the whole picture why we get more colorful sunset than sunrise. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and share. Feeling curious? Ask in the comments.